Today we're asking the question, what are the lines of evidence that allow us to conclude without reasonable doubt that acetaminophen exposure in susceptible babies and children is causing many, if not most, cases of autism? So this is part 4 of talking about this question, and we're talking about lines of evidence number 8 and number 9 today. So line of evidence number 8 is a really fascinating study way back from 1999 showing that children with severe autism can't process acetaminophen efficiently. Now that sounds very concerning, but if you're a toxicologist or a pharmacologist and you study drug interactions, you know that this is not just concerning, this is horrible, because with Tylenol or acetaminophen in particular, if you can't process that drug efficiently, it becomes extremely toxic. So it forms this thing called a toxic metabolite. It's basically like poison in your blood. So back in 1999, they thought, unfortunately, and this has been thought for decades, that acetaminophen, also known as Tylenol, would only target the liver when it was toxic. But later we learned, now we know that in very young people and even laboratory animals, it doesn't target the liver, it targets the brain, leading to autism. So that's line of evidence number 8. So line of evidence number 9 is this weird collection of things that are associated with autism. It's some genetic stuff, all kinds of environmental things, could be anything from aging parents to antibiotic treatments to infections to environmental toxins. So all these different things are associated with autism, but it turns out it does make sense. And this is line of evidence number 9. All of these things cause oxidative stress. So we published this in 2017. All these different factors, genetic, environmental, cause oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a factor that makes acetaminophen dangerous. So you get acetaminophen, you get a baby or a child with oxidative stress, the drug can't be processed correctly because of the oxidative stress, and once again it becomes toxic. You get toxicity in your bloodstream. That's line of evidence number 9, which solves this complexity that we've had for so long with research in the field of autism. So both of these lines of evidence, when you put them together, show that acetaminophen has the means, motive, and opportunity to cause autism in susceptible babies and children.